Today I'm going to teach you how to bulk update account owner in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need to reassign multiple accounts at once, whether due to team restructuring, territory changes, or when someone leaves your organization. Instead of manually updating each account one by one, this method lets you transfer ownership of multiple accounts in just a few clicks. First, you'll want to click the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. This gear icon is your gateway to all administrative settings and configurations. Once you click it, select Setup from the drop-down menu. This takes you to the Salesforce Setup area where you can manage all aspects of your organization. Now in the quick find box on the left side of the screen, type Mass Transfer Records. This search function helps you quickly navigate to the right tool without scrolling through endless menus. From the results, select Mass Transfer Records. This is the central hub for transferring ownership of different record types in bulk. On the Mass Transfer Records page, click Transfer Accounts. This opens up the account transfer interface where you'll be able to specify exactly which accounts you want to reassign and to whom. Next, you'll see two important fields. In Transfer From, select the current account owner's name from the dropdown. This identifies whose accounts you're taking over. Then in Transfer To, select the new account owner's name. This is the person who will be receiving ownership of these accounts. Here's where it gets important. You'll see several checkboxes for related records. These options let you decide what happens to opportunities, cases, and other records tied to these accounts. For example, you might want to select Transfer Open Opportunities not owned by the existing account owner or Transfer Closed Opportunities. Choose the checkboxes that match your business needs, as this ensures all related data moves with the account ownership. Now it's time to define which specific accounts you want to transfer. In the section labeled Find Accounts that match the following criteria, you can add filters to narrow down your search. For example, click on the first dropdown and select Account Name, then choose Contains from the next dropdown and type Inkin in the text field. This would filter for all accounts with Inkin in their name. You can repeat this process to add multiple filters and create more specific criteria for finding the exact accounts you need. Once your filters are set, click Find. Salesforce will display all accounts that match your criteria. Review the list carefully to make sure these are the accounts you want to transfer. Then select the checkboxes next to the accounts you want to transfer. If you want to transfer all the displayed accounts, simply check the header checkbox to select everything at once. Finally, click Transfer. Salesforce will process the bulk transfer and reassign ownership of all selected accounts to the new owner you specified. You've now successfully updated account ownership in bulk, saving yourself potentially hours of manual work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.